Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 5 series such as E60 E61 guys, and you're trying to remove or replace your crankshaft pulley guys, also known as harmonic balancer. Stay with us. We will explain what needs to be done to remove, to replace it guys, and how to get it out. If that pulley is bad, what will happen guys? Actually you can notice engine vibrations, it will be wobbly. You can hear strange noises coming from the front, and it can cause damage to your serpentine belt. The serpentine belt may fall off guys, and that will result in not having power steering pump, alternator not working, AC compressor not working, and practically your car will not be drivable guys. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money guys as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys want to see any specific video, just leave a comment below. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine that can be found in BMW 3 Series, can be found in 5 Series, X3, X5, multiple BMWs. Also we have a main channel guys that's called How to Repair guys, where you can find quite a bit of helpful information on BMW 5 Series, timing chain replacements and all that stuff coming there. Okay, we have helped more than 68 million people, so please subscribe. We have the front end removed because we'll be doing quite a few videos on that engine. You do not need to remove your front end guys, but with that being removed we can show you with a great detail how to do that. Now, if you have the radiator fan still there, what I'll recommend, disconnect your car battery guys, because if for some reason the fan turns on, it can cut your fingers off because you will be really close to the fan. And on modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise it can cause damage to the electrical system, burn engine, computers. I will put the link to the video guys that explains all that in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now, depending on the model, configuration, engine that you have guys, your serpentine belt diagram may look different, but you need to find your serpentine belt tensioner. Usually it will have a spot like that where you're going to install a Torx 60 start looking bit. You're going to go clockwise, release the belt. Some models may be going instead of clockwise, go backwards. It really depends. Pull the belt out of the crankshaft pulley, okay, just like that. Now you're going to need guys, you're going to need a reverse Torx socket. Okay, let me focus quick. I'm trying to do my best here. Perfect. And we're going to need a 22mm offset box wrench, okay, like this one. And while one person is holding the center bolt, another person is going to get those things loose. Okay, 6 bolts. Now, it's very important not to get the center bolt loose. If you do that, your timing will be screwed up guys, because it's holding the timing chain, and as a result what can happen, okay, you can skip the timing, okay, and that will be guys, okay, catastrophic. You can bend valves and you may need new engines, so you have to be extremely careful. Don't get your center bolt loose guys. Now, with that being said, we'll have the torque specs in the video that explains the torque specs for that coming very soon on the channel. Go ahead, remove the bolts. We'll just use a little impact now. Okay, perfect. And that's it, bolts are there, harmonic balancer is out. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, on the back side of the balancer, you're going to see you have that bushing right here. It's a rubber bushing, and you have on the front side as well. You can see this is it. If that gets wobbly guys, if it gets wore out, it cracks, what will happen, you'll create vibrations, engine vibrations. Those vibrations, okay, will be transferred guys, and you'll definitely feel them. Also, it will be wobbly, it can make weird noises, it can destroy your serpentine belt, or your serpentine belt may keep falling off guys. So that's very common guys for a crankshaft pulley that failed guys, to cause all that stuff. And if your belt falls off, your alternator will not work, power steering will not work, AC compressor will not work. And some BMWs, okay, this one has the electrical water pump, but if you have your water pump on the belt, you're done. You're going to overheat your engine. So that's how you guys remove it. If you need to buy a new one, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. But putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart and we'll put the torque specs video on the channel that explains how much to tighten these 6 bolts. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.